everyone and welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. Today I'm going to make you learn something very interesting, that is creating simple route map with the help of Google Maps. So I will be taking you through the simpler session first of all, and then I would be covering the other aspects of it. So my name is Poonam and I'm a Google certified educator. So before wasting much of the time, let's begin with this, people. In order to create a simple route map, people, what exactly we have to do is we need to access Google My Maps. Yes, people. So we have to access Google My Maps. Google My Maps can be accessed either through Google search, or you can also access it through Google Drive, and whatever map you will be creating today, it would be saved in the drive automatically. Okay, so either you can go to the Google search, type in Google Maps, and then you can click on the first link that comes up, or else you can type in the search bar as google.com/maps, and it will take you to Google Maps automatically. So people, a lot of time what happens is that nowadays, when we go through certain itineraries and we want to travel anywhere, we first and foremost cross check the route. So the thing that I will be training you today, with the help of that, what you people can do is you can create first of all a list, and then you can create a route map out of it. And yes, today I am going to train you only on the simpler route part. Other aspects of it we will be covering in the slowly and steadily in the sessions to come. So what exactly you have to do is, first of all, you have to click on this create new map. So people, this is not the Google Maps thing. The Google Map is different from Google My Maps, because My Maps is going to be saved automatically in the Google Drive. So please do not take this thing mistakenly with that. Okay, so when you access Google Map, depending upon your country, the map is going to open in front of you. Okay, so the first and the foremost thing that you people have to do is, since the title is not there, so you have to put a title to it. So let's say that I am covering the title that I would like to create a route map from Amritsar to Delhi and then to Jaipur. Okay, so this is the route map that I would like to create, and you can add little bit of description to it also. So description in the sense, because why exactly we are adding a description, because sometimes what happens is that we would like to share the map with another friends or relatives of ours, so it would be easier for us. So you can add any description over here just for the understanding of yours. Even in case if you're not entering it, then also it's absolutely fine. So you can say that this is a direction map. Okay, so just for your understanding. So once I have put up this thing, then I'm going to hit save, and the moment I will click on save, people, you can see that my heading of the map is there, and from this it becomes very obvious that I know that this is a direction map that I will be creating. Okay, the layers thing, people, I'm not going to cover today, because today the session I'm creating it just for the beginners. But yes, in the subsequent sessions to come of Google My Maps, I will be telling you what are the benefits of using this layered effect also. Okay, and just as I've stated that today I'm only covering the direction map, and that is what I will be creating. Okay, now let's say, people, that there are three specific places that you would like to cover. Okay, and the three specific places is that you would like to travel from Amritsar to Jaipur via Delhi. This is what our map is all about. You can create any map of your own choice. Okay, so you can put this thing in the heading section also. So what exactly we will be doing is, since today I'm training you to create a direction map, people, for direction map, this is the direction option, which is add a direction. Okay, so the moment you will click on add a direction, it will automatically start with this thing. Okay, so I don't need this thing, which is untitled layer import. I'm not going to train you today, that I would be covering in the subsequent section. And today we are only going to create a direction route map. Okay, so my A point is, people, from where I'm going to begin the journey, and at this moment over here I'm going to begin my journey from Amritsar, so I will be clicking on Amritsar. It will automatically take it. Then I would like to visit to Delhi. Okay, the next thing that I would like to put it over here is I would put in New Delhi. Alright, so this I have done it. Okay, and But if you understand that my map is Amritsar to Delhi and my final destination is Jaipur, and that's the reason it is giving you an option for adding a destination, because a lot of time what happens is between my starting point and my end point there are n number of places in between where I would like to halt, so I can always put those things in my map altogether. And all that you have to do is you will click on add a destination, and then I will put the thing which is add Jaipur over here, which is Rajasthan. And the moment you will do it, people, you can say that it is automatically telling you the points A, B, C. So A is my starting point, which is Amritsar, it is telling me in the route map. B is the via place, which is New Delhi, and finally C is going to be the place where my journey is going to end, which is Jaipur. Okay, so this is a route map that you people have created. This is a simpler one that I'm telling you, but yes, in my later subsequent sessions to come I will be showing you what exactly is the benefit of using Google My Maps, and you will be very surprised to know these facts which you people can use it in the future travel. Okay, so this exactly I have created it, and there are other things that I can do it also. I can rename this layer. See over here, if I look onto the map, this is only giving me an overview where my A is my starting point, B is the via point, and then C is the final point. But in case if I would like to get a step-by-step direction, what exactly I have to do is I have to click on these three dots which is towards the right hand side of the layer option, and then I have to click on step by step, and then you can see that it is automatically giving you all the step by step thing, wherein you can just drag this thing down, drag, and once you drag this thing down it will automatically show you all the options also. Okay, so it is going to give you the directions as well. So this is how it's going to tell you. Okay, but why exactly I'm telling you is now one thing and one benefit of Google My Maps, and why exactly I'm training you today, is that once this Google Map is created, and as I've stated in the beginning, you can always share this Google Map either with your friends or with the family. Now how exactly we will be doing it? So you can see that there is a share option. Okay, but before I share it with another person, first and foremost I should be able to preview it. So I will be clicking on the preview option, and this is how my map is going to look like to the person that whom I'm going to share it. Okay, and what exactly they can do is, if they click on this option over here, okay, so this is, if you uncheck this box, this will automatically go out from here, and if you click on A point, it is automatically going to add details to it, and you can always click on this direction option. The moment you click on this direction arrow, it will link you to the Google map, wherein it will start navigating also. Okay, so this is the preview section, people, that you are visiting. But apart from that, now once I've seen this, the next thing that I would like to do is I would like to share it. So for sharing, I will click on the share option, and let's say I would like to add people, and this is the person with whom I would like to share. Now once I would click on the email address, or you can punch in manually the email address of that person also, and then you can automatically change the settings. Either you want that person only to be a viewer, or you would like that person to be an editor as well, that's totally your choice. And then you can type in a message over here notifying that person that hi, this is the route map for Amritsar, Delhi, Jaipur, and then you can click on send, and that person will be getting the route map. So this is the benefit of using it. Okay, or else what we can do is I can click on copy link. With the copy link there would be a link which would be created, and then that link I can share it with anyone, that is with whomsoever I would like to you share this map that I have created today. Okay, so this is exactly what exactly I was training you for. So my map is ready. This is only a simpler map, only where I'm only covering the main station where I'm going through. I'm not covering the substation thing I will be taking up in my further subsequent sessions to come. Now how exactly this thing looks like, so let's go back. Okay, now once I go back, right, so you can see that it is automatically saved in my account in my Google Drive, and if anyone I would like to, either I can copy it, or I can move it to bin, or I can share a map. There is a share option directly available here also, where you can share it with other people. Alright, so this is the way how you can create a simple route maps creating Google My Maps. Okay, that is what we people have done today. And for those people who are watching my channel for the first time and who have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would request you to please quickly go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things that are coming up your way. In case of any questions and queries, you can always reach me on Instagram, Facebook, or Microsoft Team, or you can always mention the things in the comment section. In case if you want to reach me on Instagram, my ID is cherub.teaching.center. On Facebook, you can reach me on Cherub Teaching Center. On Microsoft Team, it is Cherubians altogether. So, and the links of all these three social media is also given in the description of the video. So thank you very much, people. Now start exploring Google My Maps and stay tuned to the next episode of Google My Maps, where I will be telling you how you can include your substation in your Google My Map thing, and that would be a very interesting thing to learn. So thank you so much everyone, and have a nice day ahead.